Pick up.
We're inside the plane because we're going to Bangkok.
Let's go.
You say welcome to the vlog.
Jeff, we're going to...
Hi everyone, we're going to Thailand.
Pag lumipat na. Hindi. Oo, hindi maano.
Say hello to the vlog.
Go. Hi. Going to Thailand.
Oh. May pa-shades pa. Our food is here. Some bread, water, spaghetti with shrimp and cream sauce.
Chicken and red sauce.
Tingnan mo.
Ba ako ba yan?
Tingnan mo.
Ha? Okay, ito? This one? Wapo.
Yeah.
I don't think they get it.
Yeah, they cannot understand.
Oo, hindi nila alam.
Yun yung may night market. Easy doon, no?
Careful lang.
Okay ka pa? Ako gutom na. Gutom na ako.
Gutom na. So, try natin yung McDo.
Ano ba yan? Busy. Hi! Hello! Hey guys! We're now here at Icon Siam. I ordered this braised beef, basil, fried rice with creamy omelette. Kay Ryan ito. Then I ordered coconut.
CR nyo dito. Nakita nyo ba CR? Masarap? Yan yun? Ay, grabe, parang bata. Parang ikaw yung ice cream na napanood mo yung bata. Yung pinigyan ng ube.
Hindi kasi, di ba
First time.
Oo.
Wow,
ang sarap.
Sa Singapore, di ba, kung ang mahal-mahal nito, binibili. Parang kabal ko convert ko, 300. 90. 90, so mga 112 pa. Hindi, ito yun. Yung parang may pandan talaga siya.
Taste the coconut. Taste the coconut. Taste the coconut. Taste the coconut.
Parang sa akin nga, pinatanggal ko. Meron pa rin.
Oh, Jeff, ito chicken na nag-order ako.
Okay, spicy ito yun eh.
At the taste test. Sarap. Ano yan?
Chicken.
Chicken? Ah, chicken yan. Chicken.
Hindi siya manghang walang sabayan ng sili.
Yo, what's up, people? It's day 2 here at Bangkok, and today we are going to Madame Tussauds, Sea Life, that other place, and Disney Asiatic. Let's go.
And more of that.
Yeah, more of that coming soon.
Mga ganyan talaga.
Di ba yun? Kaya halos lahat ng bahay may
Tingnan mo yung mga store.
Patungko? Patungko. Pepper powder.
Pepper, oh.
Ha?
Ipatong mo lang talaga sa makain.
Ah, patong. Patong.
Ha? Nagas lang. Oo.
Ilang pieces?
10 na yan. Sige yan naman mga tatlo.
Ah. Ang sarap.
Burger ba kayo talaga?
Hindi.
Akala ko crispy, ano siya, crispy or ampaw.
Tikman ko nga yung barbecue.
Parang laruan.
Parang sobrang tamad na tamad naman yun.
Bayaran natin last one.
We found Nemo, guys. Nemo's generation.
Hi guys, so nandito tayo ngayon sa Sea Life. So susubukan namin yung glass boat. Yan siya. Oh. Yan, kaya parang ganyan. Yan. Andito para pantay.
Okay.
Auntie, huwag kang lalakad.
From Shoreline Ray. That's what they look at the shop. But actually you can simply shop and read. Wow, it's a performing. They have many tons on the body. But it wow. Rainbow speed ladies in the biggest running business.
What is that?
The body is
Baby shark.
Baby shark. Oh.
Kinakanta yung intro ng
They're waving the students.
Shark! 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 Shark!
Thank you to them.
Yan o, yung wave.
What? I just said not me.
It's a carpet fish.
Another boy you can see.
Kung salamin lang yan. Baka kung salamin lang yata nagpapalalim. Oo.
Like a shark. Like a shark.
Shark daw there.
Like a shark. Wow.
Baby shark.
Iyan ako naman. Meron may video.
That's fake. I just check that. Can I draw that one? Oh, that.
Di ba kita yung baby?
So fish.
Laki lapu-lapu. Yan ang lapu-lapu.
That's how snakes feel.
Kaya tingin nila kalaban.
And we also have shark teeth, eagle ray teeth, ray pattern on the stingray tail that have poison. And that one is a vampire fish teeth.
How many kilos or like that?
How many
2
kilos?
kilo man.
Hey guys, we're done na sa aquarium. Tapos ngayon, try namin yung 4D, the bear and the squirrel 4D. Next show, 12:30. Our lunch for today.
Kasi lang. Kaya siya nagpupundilas.
You also have your some barbecue.
Napundilas. Kaya, ano problema? Hindi ba may grounded? Oo, sa ilaw. Ngayon, yung ilaw na pinagtanggalan, ipapatalik ko yan po 20. Pero bakit mas madali siya?
Try this. Trying tiny milk with cognac. Cognac press.
Okay. Sarap. Hindi.
Parang kakap.
Yun din.
Parang kakap to.
Ito. Chicken.
Crunchy na malambot. Wow.
Ayan naman. Dito po. Stop. Take a order.
Ay, yung barbecue.
Oh, ayoko.
Hey guys, we're now here in Madame Tussauds.
Iyan.
Nagtago na lang si Kids.
Street. Wow! Wow!
Okay, go.
Casey.
Dito, nasa doon. Sige, 1, 2, 3, go! One more. Binitawan niya. Obvious.
Ariana Grande. Go! Ano yan? Ano yun? Hey guys, we're done with Madame Tussauds and Sea Life. Yung Sea Life ganda. Must try yun. And now, pupunta na kami sa Icon Siam. Kukuha na kami nung para sa cruise. So, there. This one?
100.
Is this sweet? Is that sweet?
Ovaltine. Ovaltine naman.
Yummy?
Ovaltine. Dito walang ganong Milo dito sa Thailand.
It's a cookie?
At sa 7-Eleven. Bilihin mo sa 7.
Try.
Ito, Rona, try nyo sa 7-Eleven yung naka-tetrapack nila or yung naka-plastic bottle na Ovaltine. Polo.
Sige, mamaya.
Matamis.
I like it.
From harap mo. Hey guys, time check, it's 6:30 p.m. Naantay na lang namin yung boarding namin sa cruise. We'll see you again later.
Walang pila-pila sa kanila eh. Oo.
Ryan! Pwede tawagin mo daw si Ryan. Hey guys, we're going to Asiatic. Say good morning. Good morning. We're here sa Chiang Thai The Praia Safari. We're gonna get food first.
ภาษาเดินเทนพูดจับประเทศ
Punta kami mamaya dyan sa may river.
Puto tayo dyan.
Oo, tatawid ito. Or somewhere, basta tatawid siya.
Ang lalim na natin. Hello? Maka-interact na kasi niya ganun eh. Here, yan.
Here.
Yan na.
立志为天地，生命为人类而生存。
Bakit ganyan? Ano yun?
Hindi ko alam kung tama.
Hindi ba baliktad yan?
Tama. Kali sa
Kaya
harap.
mo, saglit lang naman.
We need to wear a hat. Oo nga, ang luwang naman. Paano to?
Why we need to wear a helmet? Inside the museum, still ongoing construction. So this is for safety. Outside, you can still carry it with you. It's only necessary inside the museum.
The farming report.
So the first one, the ancient city was built here, 10 centimeters there. Our museum is different from other places. And the next part, I would like to show you here some examples of this way here. From this very one right here.
Hey guys, we're now here at Chocolateville. When you're here in Bangkok, try here. Hey guys, so I have here my coconut. Coconut here in Thailand is so good. Burger is here. Chicken burger
Yan, may ilaw na.
and fries. Taste test.
Juicy.
Sarap, no?
Sarap?
Okay siya, okay.
Okay siya.
Carbonara. There's egg. You taste test. You taste test. Yummy? 5 star. 5 star. Taste test. Kian, what's your order?
And fries.
rice. Egg fried.
Right.
Right. 5 stars. 5 stars.
Very good, very good.
Ham and cheese.
Ham and mushroom. Huwag mo sabing ketchup na naman to. Kaming ketchup sila dito.
Sarap yung food dito ah. Sarap yung dough.
Okay naman yung dough niya. Hindi na sila makalat pag muto-muto.
Ang kami ng card.
Dito, picture tayo dito.
Trying to ba't mo nilalagay?
Sa kasi kasunod nila yung mga nauna para hindi lagtaw-lagtaw. Parang ko ako isang sumangan ko. Masarap ito, Jeff. Itong specialty.
So yummy.
Ano? Ito to.
Sandwich sili basil yan.
Oh, basil.
Bako naman na itong soup. Ayok.
Itong basil sobrang anghang.
Hindi
Hindi naman maanghang ang basil.
Hindi, itong pork. Itong pork.
Oo.
Basil ba yan?
Mm.
When basil.
Sarap. Pero masarap. Grabe lang.
Ano?
Sarap.
Dito ano?
Maanghang lang pero masarap. Miss? Miss?
Ang sarap ng anghang niya.
Miss?
Diba?
2 Evian.
30. Sarap din.